Are you looking to transform your garden into a thriving organic haven? Introducing the PE Compost Bag, your perfect companion for creating nutrient-rich soil right in your backyard. This reusable garden yard waste bag measures 35 by 60 centimeters and boasts a range of features designed to enhance your composting experience. Firstly, its durable PE construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of composting while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver around your garden. The bag is adept at retaining heat and moisture, crucial elements for accelerating the composting process and ensuring optimal decomposition of organic matter. One standout feature is its innovative design that facilitates excellent ventilation. By allowing air to circulate through the middle of the bag, it promotes aerobic decomposition, which leads to faster breakdown of organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. This not only reduces unpleasant odors, but also helps in maintaining a healthier composting environment. Whether you're composting kitchen scraps or garden clippings, the PE Compost Bag makes the entire process effortless. Its practical size makes it suitable for use in both private gardens and public spaces, offering versatility that meets various composting needs. Plus, its compact form factor means you can easily store and transport compost without hassle. In conclusion, if you're passionate about gardening and sustainability, investing in the PE Compost Bag is a no-brainer. It not only simplifies composting, but also contributes to creating fresh, organic soil that nourishes your plants naturally. Embrace the journey to healthier, greener gardening with the PE Compost Bag today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.